All right, my pool, it's cloudy. So I asked my friend Mark from Doheny to come and help me figure out how to make her crystal clear. Mark, I went out this morning and my pool is cloudy. How do I fix that?
Well, it kind of all depends on what caused it. So the first thing we would have you do is test your water. So if all of your readings are in line, chlorine levels where it needs to be, pH, alkalinity, etc., it's probably just a case of having a lot of organics or inorganics that are in the water that are causing that cloudiness. And so if it's a situation like that, it's really easy to take care of. We just want to make sure our filter is running nonstop, and we want to add a clarifying agent to the water. And what a clarifying agent simply does, it just makes those particles into bigger masses, if you will. So it makes it easier, coagulates them to make it easier for your filter to grab. Because some of the particles are so small, they just run right through.
Okay, so I pour this, do I need to put this in my skimmer? How do I
You can just pour it directly into the water.
How long should I expect it to take for the pool to clear up?
About 24 hours. Just keep your filter running. If you have a sand filter, you can backwash. That'll kind of get some of that stuff out of there. And in some cases, I mean, depending on how severe the problem is, I've seen pools where you can actually see these coagulants form like big jellyfish looking things that just get sucked out of the pool for you.
So is there anything that I can do to prevent this from happening?
Well, typically, you may or may not be able to, because some of those things are still going to happen. But we suggest keeping your water in balance all the time, running your filtration system as much as you possibly can. We prefer all the time. But another thing you can do is continue to use this on a maintenance basis. So it's usually a 4 to 5 ounce treatment per 10,000 gallons once a week that will kind of stay ahead of that problem for you.
Well, Mark, that's made it a lot more clear to me, even if my pool is not. Thank you so much, Mark.
You're welcome.
I hope that was as helpful for you as it was for me. Make sure that you visit Doheny.com for more articles, videos, and everything you need for your pool. Oh, and free shipping.